Learn Club, and today we are going to draw Shivji.
Yes, the drawing of Lord Shiva.
Yeah.
Very easy step-by-step drawing of Shiva, the god.
Lord.
Yeah, let's get started. We are gonna use a
Black pencil, a paper, and some erasers.
Yes,
No colors.
no colors this time again. Let's start.
I got the Tenby. I got the Tenby.
Okay, so there's the darker one.
Yeah, darkest one.
Okay, so let's start. So this is episode number 85 of 6 minutes 100 days challenge. And if you stay with us till the end of the drawing, hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below. You might win some exciting surprises from Parikshit and Kids Fun and Club. What do we start with? This is gonna be a little difficult drawing, so draw slowly. I don't know how are we going to do it, but yeah, let's give it a try.
Now let's start with the face actually.
Okay, so let's start with the eyes. Yeah, that's what we can start with.
I'm just doing the outline first.
Let's start with the eyes.
Kind of the eyes. You cannot compare these eyes to Goku's eyes.
And more of the
Human.
human eyes, so that they are gonna be a little not very easy ones. The nose and the lips. It's gonna be a fun drawing, I'm sure about it. The eyebrows. Do you have the
What?
eraser?
No. Should I get it?
That's okay.
It's right outside.
Leave it.
One.
The eyes. Okay. And now the face. Okay.
And you're now drawing the whole body.
This might not look like it right now, but yeah, once you finish the drawing, I'm sure it's gonna look a little more like Lord Shiva. That's the ears. The next is the jewelry.
What did Lord Shiva wear jewelry?
Okay. Next is the snake.
I do not like snakes. Wait,
But Lord Shiva likes snakes.
I'm scared of snakes. Snakes can bite,
Yeah, they can.
but they can't bite God. He has a pet snake. How does it? Is it a python or a cobra?
I don't know.
Since you are grown up, you should know this.
But unfortunately,
You
I
don't.
don't. Okay. Little here.
Kind of looks like a cobra to me.
Okay.
I cannot think it's a cobra.
Yeah. So dental here. Next that we do is The moon that's on his head.
How is there a moon on his head? Because he's the controller of the moon. He
Yes.
controls the moon.
Then we should make his hairs.
Now it's gonna be very easy. The easiest hairs you must have ever done.
Yeah.
Well, I've done even easier hairs than this. I'll show you guys this after that drawing.
Now it looks like Lord Shiva.
Kind of.
And we draw his Trishul.
Trident.
Yeah. I don't know what it's called in Hindi.
Trishul is called in Hindi. Trident is called in English.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what it's called in English. Okay. And this is the Damru. What is the Damru called in English?
I don't. I don't know everything. I'm just in class 2. They don't even teach it.
Okay. That's done. Now we need to make the snake.
Wait. I'm not done with the trident. I'm not done with the trident.
Okay, you finish your trident. I am making the snake. Done, Parikshit?
Obviously no.
Obviously, yes. I see that you're almost done.
Almost, but I'm not done.
Okay. What are we going to do next is we're going to use this black sketch pen to do the outline so that it becomes and it looks better when we do the sketchings.
I'm using the 10 big because it also kind of looks like the Sharpie. Very dark.
If you like this drawing, do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below. And also let us know what you want us to draw next. And if you were following us, if you did a drawing for yourself, do share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Online Club and hashtag Kids Online Club. We have some exciting surprises from our Kids and Kids Online Club. See you in the next drawing episode number 86 of 6 Minutes 100 Days Challenge. Tada, bye bye.